Nicos Foreign Car Repair has been serving Fairfield County residents since 1985. At Nicos Foreign Car Repair, we provide valuable advice, free quotes, timely repair, and maintenance services in a cost-effective manner for all foreign cars, including European, Japanese, German, and British cars, including Audi, BMW, Nissan, Ferrari, Honda, Porsche, Saab, Subaru, Lexus, Toyota, Massarati, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Lamborghini, and more. Nicos Foreign Car Repair excels at providing preventive maintenance so that Nicos Foreign Car Repair clients save large sums of money and time spent on fixing neglected cars. Nicos Foreign Car Repair, 203-323-4500.